Apple may be preparing the biggest change in iPhone history. Reports suggest the company is building a foldable iPhone that opens into a tablet-sized screen while carrying laptop-level power inside. Called the iPhone Ultra Fold by many leaks, this device could combine the iPhone, iPad, and parts of the MacBook experience into one machine that fits inside your pocket. For years, Samsung, Huawei, and Google pushed foldable phones into the spotlight. Some looked futuristic, but many suffered from weak hinges, visible creases, thick bodies, and software that did not feel polished. Apple stayed silent while the market experimented. Analysts believe Apple's first foldable iPhone could arrive in late 2026. Apple's slow approach was not accidental. Reports say the company delayed the project because it refused to release a foldable with major flaws. Apple wanted a screen without an ugly crease and a hinge strong enough to survive years of folding. The rumored design sounds dramatic. The Ultra Fold could feature a smaller outer display around 5.5 inches and a large inner display close to 7.8 inches when opened. Closed, it behaves like a normal smartphone. Open it, and it transforms into a mini tablet built for multitasking, entertainment, and productivity. Reports also mention a titanium frame and a liquid metal hinge for extra strength. The real power may come from Apple's new A20 Pro chip, built on TSMC's advanced 2-nanometer process. Leaks claim the jump from 3-nanometer technology to 2-nanometer could improve performance by around 15% while lowering power usage by nearly 30%. That means more speed, longer battery life, and less heat during heavy tasks. This matters because foldable phones need extra power. A larger display consumes more energy, and advanced multitasking pushes hardware harder than normal phones. The A20 chip could help the Ultra Fold stay thin and cool while still handling demanding apps, gaming, editing, and artificial intelligence tools. The Ultra Fold may also bring a more desktop-like experience to the iPhone. Rumors connected to iOS 19 suggest Apple is testing features similar to Stage Manager for USB-C iPhones. That could allow the foldable to connect to a monitor and run multiple apps side by side like an iPad or Mac. This is why many people are calling it a pocket MacBook. Imagine replying to messages on the outside screen during the day, then unfolding the device to edit photos, work on documents, or manage several apps at once. Artificial intelligence may also play a major role. The improved cooling and efficiency of the 2-nanometer chip could allow advanced AI tools to run directly on the phone instead of depending heavily on cloud servers. Real-time translation, smart photo editing, voice assistance, and visual recognition could all become faster and more private. Still, Apple faces serious competition. Samsung's Galaxy Fold lineup already dominates the foldable space, while companies like Huawei, Oppo, Vivo, and Google continue improving their own designs. The price may shock buyers. Early reports suggest the Ultra Fold could cost between $1,800 and $2,000, making it the most expensive iPhone ever released. Production numbers may also remain limited during the first year because foldable displays and complex hinges are difficult to manufacture. Even now, questions remain. Some leaks warn that hinge reliability is still a problem during testing. If Apple cannot fully solve durability concerns, the launch could slip into 2027. One thing is clear. Apple is not building this phone just to follow trends. The Ultra Fold appears designed to blur the line between smartphone, tablet, and computer. If the company succeeds, foldables could finally move from niche products into mainstream technology. The iPhone Ultra Fold represents Apple's biggest gamble in years, combining a foldable display, powerful 2-nanometer performance, and desktop-style features into one futuristic device. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe for more valuable insights. More exciting tech stories and future innovations are coming very soon. Stay ahead with the Pulse of Tech.